Bringing a new life into the world is this absolutely incredible journey. But let's be honest, it can also be a little daunting, right? If you're feeling that mix of huge excitement and a whole lot of what ifs, you are so not alone. Today, we're going to talk about how a little preparation can make all the difference and how we can turn that anxiety into pure confidence. So, how do we actually get there? How do we take those feelings of anxiety and flip them into a sense of empowerment? How do we pave the way for a birth experience that feels calmer, more positive, not just for you, but for your baby too? Well, let's break it all down. You see, the real challenge isn't birth itself. It's the fear of the unknown. And the single most powerful tool we have against that fear, it's knowledge. Preparation is all about turning that big question mark of uncertainty into a feeling of empowerment. It's about giving you the confidence and the sense of control you deserve. So let's look at what being prepared actually means. We're not just talking about feeling better emotionally, though that's a huge part of it. We're talking about real, tangible outcomes. Things like a lower risk of tearing, a potentially shorter labor, and a faster postpartum recovery. It's about having a whole toolkit of strategies that can make the entire process so much smoother. This right here really gets to the heart of it all. That constant feeling of what's going to happen next can be completely overwhelming. But just simply understanding the stages of labor, what your body is doing and why it's doing it, that's the first and maybe the most important step toward feeling like you're in control of your own birth story. Okay, so knowing why preparation is so important is step one. Now, let's get into the how. How do we actually build that confidence? We're going to explore the core pillars of preparation that create a really clear pathway to feeling physically and mentally ready for anything. A really solid preparation plan is built on a few key pillars. It all starts with mastering your pelvic floor. And I mean more than just strengthening it, it's about learning to control it. From there, we move to effective pushing techniques, which can make a world of difference. We'll also explore different birthing positions that actually work with your body, not against it. And finally, we'll build your very own personalized toolkit of pain management strategies. All of this together creates a complete roadmap to a more confident birth. Okay, let's talk about the pelvic floor for a second. It is so much more than just doing Kegels. In fact, when it comes to birth, learning how to release and relax these muscles is just as crucial as strengthening them. It's all about coordination, knowing when to engage and when to let go to help your baby move through the birth canal as smoothly as possible. Honestly, this one skill can be a total game changer for reducing the risk of tearing. Pain management is definitely not a one-size-fits-all thing, and that's exactly why building a diverse toolkit is so important. We'll explore everything from incredibly powerful breathing techniques and counter-pressure massage to hydrotherapy, and just as importantly, we'll make sure you understand all your medical options. The goal is for you to have a whole range of strategies at your fingertips so you can make the choices that feel right for you in the moment. Now, this preparation isn't just for a single day. The skills and the strength that you build have powerful, lifelong benefits for both you and your baby. Let's take a look at what that actually means for your future health and well-being. This slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? It shows the two very different paths you can take. Without preparation, it's so easy to feel lost, and that can lead to a higher chance of interventions and a much tougher recovery. But with preparation, you're in the driver's seat. You have the confidence, you have the tools to work with your body, and that often leads to a smoother labor, less tearing, and a much quicker return to feeling like yourself. The difference is really night and day. And listen, this isn't just about you. The benefits extend directly to your baby. A more efficient labor means better oxygenation for them. It can lead to higher APGAR scores, that quick health check they get right after birth, and a lower chance of birth-related stress. It's really about giving them the calmest, most gentle start to life possible. This is a point I really can't stress enough. The work you do right now is setting the foundation for your long-term health. By preparing your pelvic floor properly, you're actively reducing your risk of issues like incontinence and discomfort long after your baby arrives. You're supporting a healthier, more comfortable future for yourself. The great news is you don't have to navigate this journey all by yourself. Having an expert partner by your side can make all the difference. At OVA Women's Health, we specialize in providing exactly this kind of compassionate, evidence-based support, guiding you every single step of the way.
This quote right here perfectly captures our whole philosophy. Our goal is to go way beyond just simple exercises. It's about giving you a deep, real understanding of your own body and teaching you how to work with its incredible physiology during this momentous event.
So, what makes our approach special? Well, it's the combination of our deep clinical experience with a truly holistic perspective. We just don't believe in one-size-fits-all programs. Your care is personalized to your unique body, your pregnancy, your journey. And most importantly, we've created a supportive, private space where your questions are always welcome and you feel completely empowered. So, after seeing how preparation can reshape your entire experience, the only question left is, are you ready to take that first step? Are you ready to trade that uncertainty for confidence and that fear for empowerment? If you're ready to take that next step, we're here for you. You can just scan the code on your screen to learn more about our birth preparation program or to go ahead and book an appointment. We would be so honored to support you on this incredible journey.